NordLayer Custom DNS Configuration Secure DNS for Businesses. 1. Enable Custom DNS for a gateway or server. 1. Log in to your NordLayer control panel. 2. Go to the Servers or Gateways tab. 3. Find your preferred server with a dedicated IP and click Configure. 4. In the drop-down, select Custom DNS and submit the request. You'll need it. To provide the DNS server IP address, up to 4 DNS servers can be entered. Allow up to 24 hours for the feature to be enabled after you request it. To ensure user DNS suffix resolution optional, Windows, if you need to. Pre-configure a DNS suffix for hostname resolution on Windows. 1. Open Network Internet Settings, Advanced Network Settings, More Network Adapter Options. 2. Select the NordLinks adapter properties. 3. Open Internet Protocol version 4 TCP FVV 4 properties. 4. Choose use the following DNS server addresses and set the preferred DNS server. 5. Click Advanced DNS tab. Append these DNS suffixes in order. Add your domain. OK. 6. Save changes and reconnect the network. Disable or enable to apply.